Hello friend, today my topic is that how to calculate mortar and brickwork. Now I find how to calculate mortar and brickwork. For example, this wall, this safety wall. How many mortar used in this wall? Wall is that safety brickwork use 30 safety use mortar. When we finish safety work, and safety work is use 30 safety use mortar, 75 safety. How many mortar use in 75 safety? Ratio is that ratio is equal to 1:4. Sum up ratio is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Sum up ratio is 5. This is wet volume. Now I find how many mortar used in this safety. So safety use in 30 safety use mortar, 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 75 is equal to 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 75 is equal to 22.5 safety. At wet volume, I convert to wet volume to dry volume. Dry volume is equal to wet volume. Wet volume 22.5 multiplied by dry volume 1.27 at a specific value. When we mortar wet volume convert to the dry volume, this specific value is equal to 22.5 multiplied by 1.27 is equal to 28.57 as dry volume. Now I find volume of cement. Volume of cement ratio is 1. All the ratio is 5 multiplied by dry volume 28.57. 1 divided by 5 multiplied by 28.57 is equal to 5.71. It's at cement volume. I convert to the bag. Bag 1.25. One bag volume 1.25 cubic feet is equal 5.7. Volume is the cement divided by 1.25 because I convert to the bag. One bag volume 1.25. 5.71 divided by 1.25 is equal to 4.5. Now volume of sand ratio is 4, all ratio is 5, multiplied by dry volume 28.57. 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 28.57 is equal to 22.85 safety and sand volume. 75 safety breakwork at use motor 22.5 use motor safety and 4.56 use bag and 22.85 safety use in sand. If you like my video, must subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks. Goodbye.